Welcome back, dear viewers, to Healthy Care Over 50. Managing diabetes can indeed be a formidable challenge. Are you aware that over a tenth of the U.S. population battles with diabetes? It requires meticulous attention to your diet and a commitment to regular physical activity. Whether you're navigating life with diabetes or simply striving for a balanced diet, incorporating fruit daily is essential. However, it's a common misconception that all fruits are equally beneficial for your health. Some fruits pack a hefty sugar punch, potentially sending your blood sugar levels on an unwanted roller coaster ride. So, the question arises, how can you select fruits that are friendly to your diabetic needs and maintain your blood sugar within a healthy range? Wonder no more. We're here to unveil the fruits that stand as your allies in this journey, as well as those you might want to avoid if you're managing diabetes. Stick with us to uncover the ins and outs of fruit selection for diabetes, ensuring your diet is both delicious and diabetes-friendly. Kicking off list at number 1, we have the apple. You've likely heard the adage, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And this couldn't be truer for those managing diabetes. Monitoring carbohydrate intake is crucial for diabetics, and while apples do contain carbs, the magic lies in their fiber content. This fiber plays a vital role in counteracting the carbs' effects, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. A medium-sized apple boasts about 25 grams of carbs, but it's the approximately 4 grams of fiber that make all the difference. This fiber slows down the digestion process, ensuring that glucose is released into the bloodstream at a gradual pace. For diabetics, this is fantastic news, offering a delicious way to enjoy fruits without spiking their blood sugar levels. Moving on to number 2, we shine the spotlight on the kiwi. A fruit that's not only tantalizingly delicious but also a powerhouse of nutrients, especially for those with diabetes. Rich in antioxidants, kiwi goes beyond mere taste. It's a champion for boosting immunity, a priority for many in today's health-conscious world. The antioxidants in kiwi work tirelessly to neutralize free radicals, clearing the body of harmful toxins and supporting overall well-being. Moreover, kiwi is a heart-healthy choice, contributing to cardiovascular health thanks to its low glycemic index, GI, of 53. This places kiwi on the lower end of the GI scale, making it an excellent choice for inclusion in a diabetic's diet. With its delightful taste and health benefits, kiwi stands out as a must-have fruit for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. Next up, at number 3, are cherries. Transcending their status as merely a delightful topping for desserts to a fruit with impressive health benefits. Perfectly portioned, a cup of cherries packs a mere 52 calories and approximately 12 grams of carbs. But the real magic of cherries lies in their inflammation-fighting properties, offering more than just a sweet treat. Cherries are a natural source of melatonin, which promotes restful sleep, a boon for overall health and especially beneficial for those managing diabetes. In terms of blood sugar management, cherries embody diabetic-friendly excellence. Despite their small size, they're bursting with antioxidants and boast a low position on the glycemic index, GI, making them a strategic choice for controlling blood sugar levels. Beyond their diabetes advantages, cherries also play a vital role in protecting heart health, rounding out their profile as a nutritious and delicious addition to a health-conscious diet. Continuing our journey at number 4, we find peaches, the quintessence of summer. These juicy delights are not just a treat to the palate but also a boon to health, especially for those looking to manage their diet, including diabetics. Peaches are notably low in calories yet rich in essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, and vitamins A and C. For diabetics in search of a sweet fix without the guilt, peaches offer a perfect solution. They can indulge in peach smoothies or add fresh peaches to salads, enjoying the natural sweetness while aiding in weight management. Moreover, the antioxidants and vitamins C in peaches don't just fend off free radicals, they also contribute to radiant skin and luscious hair. Peaches, with their myriad of health benefits, are indeed a super healthy addition to any diet, proving that nature's sweetness can be both indulgent and beneficial. At number 5, we spotlight blueberries, true superfoods in the diabetic diet. These small, tangy treasures are brimming with vitamins, essential minerals, and an abundance of antioxidants. Blueberries do more than just tantalize your taste buds, they're a force against free radicals, promoting overall health and well-being. For those who have been managing diabetes long-term, incorporating blueberries into a vibrant, purple salad alongside purple cabbage and feta cheese can be particularly beneficial. This combination not only delights the palate but also aids in enhancing insulin sensitivity and improving glucose processing. In fact, blueberries, along with strawberries and other berries, are often dubbed a diabetic's best friend, thanks to their low glycemic index of 53. These miraculous berries can be added to parfaits, yogurts, or enjoyed as part of a refreshing morning start. Whether you prefer them in a salad, blended into a power juice, or another creative concoction, blueberries offer versatility and health benefits in spades. How do you enjoy your blueberries? Share your favorite ways with us in the comments. Number 6 brings us to oranges. A symbol of vitamin C and the zest of citrus, yet their benefits stretch far beyond. Citrus fruits, including grapefruit, lemons, limes, and oranges, are not only rich in vitamin C but also boast vitamin A and iron. These nutrients collaborate to reduce inflammation, minimize the risk of cell damage, and protect heart health. The presence of folate and potassium in oranges is particularly beneficial for managing diabetes, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. With their high fiber content and low glycemic index, GI, oranges are among the select fruits that are digested slowly, ensuring a gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. To maximize the benefits that oranges or any fruit has to offer, it's advisable to consume them whole rather than in juice form. Eating the whole fruit provides the complete range of fibers and nutrients, delivering the full health advantages in their most natural form. Number 7 brings us to apricots. A fruit whose sweet flavor and rich nutrient profile make it an invaluable addition to any diet, especially for those managing diabetes. Apricots are a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, potassium, copper, and manganese. Whether you're enjoying them dried or fresh, apricots are effective in stabilizing blood sugar levels, a critical aspect for diabetics. Unlike commercial sweets and chocolates laden with sugars and processed carbohydrates, apricots offer a healthful alternative. Imagine thinly slicing them to top a piece of peanut butter toast. Not only is this a tasty treat, but it also provides a nutrient-dense meal option for individuals with diabetes. Thanks to their low glycemic index, apricots are gentle on blood sugar levels while their rich nutrient content aids in regulating diabetes. Furthermore, apricots support digestive health and contribute to a feeling of fullness, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. Sliding into number 8, we have the pear. A fruit that's not only delicious but also a wise pick for those managing diabetes. Pears, with their sweet, succulent flavor, offer more than just a tasty snack. They're packed with a wealth of nutrients and vitamins that contribute to overall health. Pears are particularly known for their ability to combat inflammation and aid in digestion, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet. It's important to remember portion control and to integrate them into a meal plan that includes a variety of nutritious foods. For the full spectrum of benefits, it's recommended to consume pears whole, with the skin intact. The skin is where a significant portion of the fruit's nutritional value resides, offering fiber and additional nutrients that are essential for managing diabetes and supporting health. So, next time you're enjoying a pear, remember to keep the skin on to maximize its healthful impact. Number 9 brings us to strawberries. A fruit that might surprise you with its nutritional powerhouse status. Imagine this: a single cup of strawberries packs more vitamin C than an entire orange. This fact alone makes strawberries an exceptional choice, especially for those managing diabetes, thanks to their very low glycemic index, GI. Strawberries are not just about satisfying your sweet cravings safely, they're loaded with beneficial nutrients such as antioxidants, fiber, and of course vitamin C. Like their berry counterparts, including blackberries and blueberries, strawberries are ideal for quenching those sweet desires without jeopardizing blood sugar levels. Beyond their taste and nutritional benefits, strawberries are celebrated for their detoxifying properties, playing a crucial role in bolstering the immune system. So, when you're in need of a sweet, nutritious snack, remember that strawberries and their berry family offer a delicious and healthful solution to keep those sugar levels in check while supporting your overall well-being. Now let's see the fruits that diabetics should avoid. First on the list of fruits to approach with caution for diabetics is the banana. Renowned for its ability to kickstart your day with energy, bananas are often hailed as the perfect breakfast fruit. They're packed with nutrients that help keep you active and fueled. However, for those managing diabetes, bananas present a bit of a challenge. High in carbohydrates, sugar, and calories, bananas can lead to a swift rise in blood sugar levels. While they do offer fiber, the concern lies in their sugar content. Even a medium-sized banana contains around 14 grams of sugar. This high sugar content can make it difficult for diabetics to maintain stable blood glucose levels. Next on our cautionary list for those with diabetes are dates. Over time, dates have gained popularity as a natural sweetener, offering a healthier alternative to refined sugar. Their sticky texture makes them an ideal binding ingredient for homemade snacks, like granola bars. However, this sweetness comes with a caveat for diabetics. As dates are dried and processed, they become highly concentrated with calories and sugar. A mere quarter cup of dates packs around 100 calories, presenting a significant impact for anyone monitoring their blood sugar levels closely. Continuing our list at number 3, we have grapes. Grapes are cherished for their delicious taste and the wealth of nutrients they provide, such as vitamins C and K, along with essential fiber. They're excellent for boosting the immune system, supporting brain health, and enhancing the appearance of your hair and skin. However, there's a caveat for individuals with diabetes. A single cup of grapes contains about 23 grams of sugar, making them less than ideal for those monitoring their blood sugar levels closely. While indulging in a few grapes might seem harmless, their high sugar content can quickly accumulate, potentially leading to significant spikes in blood glucose. Number 4 on our list of fruits that diabetics might want to avoid is lychee. This exotic fruit is a treasure trove of nutrients, offering an impressive lineup of vitamin C, potassium, copper, manganese, and fiber, making it a great option for those looking to shed some weight. However, the story takes a turn when it comes to sugar content. The type of sugar found in lychees, coupled with its high amount, poses a risk for individuals with diabetes. Each lychee contains a substantial 29 grams of sugar, a factor that becomes particularly concerning for those managing their blood sugar levels, including individuals with gestational diabetes. Number 5 on the list brings us to mango, frequently celebrated as the king of fruits. This tropical gem is renowned for its lush flavor and rich nutritional profile, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. However, for those managing diabetes, mangoes pose a significant challenge. The issue with mangoes lies in their high content of calories, sugar, and carbohydrates, all of which are factors that can lead to an increase in blood sugar levels. For diabetics, indulging in mangoes requires careful consideration and moderation. If the craving for a mango smoothie or a few slices becomes irresistible, opting for firm mangoes over the softer, pulpy varieties may offer a slightly better option, as they tend to have a lower sugar content. Finally, watermelon. Watermelon is a summer staple, known for its refreshing quality and rich array of minerals and nutrients. From vitamins A, B, and C to folate, fiber, and magnesium, watermelons offer a bounty of health benefits, including hydration and a boost of antioxidants. However, this juicy fruit also comes with a high sugar content. Despite the sugar being in its natural form, consuming watermelon in large quantities can cause a significant spike in blood sugar levels, making it a concern for individuals with diabetes. With a glycemic index, GI, of 72, watermelon ranks high, suggesting that it can lead to rapid increases in blood glucose. Therefore, for those who are managing diabetes, the above fruits should be eaten with caution, in very moderate quantities, or can be avoided completely to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Stay tuned for more useful health information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to update the latest videos. Thanks for watching.